Model, 60-plate Ford Transit 2.2 TDCI 115 PS DROPSIDE flatbed needs engine repairs. Body, grey, flatbed. Mileage, 136,103. MOT, the 10th of March 2025. Engine, 2198 cc TDCI 115 PS DURATORQ, 2.2, D. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Runs with a misfire. Needs multiple injectors replacing. Turbo oil seals have worn. Check engine light on the dash. Also clutch pedal on the floor, not sure if it's easier to put another engine in but may repair, not sure, flushed. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, reversing camera, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074